Welcome back to the channel Cat Combo Red, and in today's video we are going to learn about how what are the basics of making a parametric roof in SketchUp. So this is going to be a very short video on teaching you the basics of making a parametric roof in SketchUp and how you can get started. So basically, the tool that we use for making a parametric roof in SketchUp is the inbuilt tool called Sandbox. So this is what the sandbox tool looks like. It has basically six operations that it contains. First is the make contours annotation from contours. So it basically creates a terrain from a set of selected edges. Second is the from scratch option that creates a terrain like a mesh structure which you can then generate into any kind of form that you want. And second is the smooth option that actually complements the from scratch option. It basically gives you points to push and pull and make the points move off your edge. Second is the stamp tool, which is used for an object to create a flat foundation in a terrain. The fourth is the drape tool. Basically it drapes the shape or whatever the form of the object is on the terrain that you have made. Fifth is the add detail. It actually adds edges, more edges to the selection of your terrain that makes your terrain or your parametric roof more with edges. And the last is the flip edge, which improves the smoothness of the terrain by flipping an edge basically. So in this video we are going to learn about how are we going to make a parametric roof. So for first of all, for making a parametric roof, we will start with the option of from scratch, and then we will make a good mesh that we want of whatever size, like this. And then what we will do is first, so this we are making a rectangular tool. We'll do this flip by V, and we get our white face on the top. And then what we do is then we go inside this and we do not select anything, and then we select the option of smooth. What smooth actually helps us to actually push and pull the points or the edges of the things that we want. So let's say we want it upside from this side, and we want it more lower from this, but not so lower from this, and we want it upper from this side, and things like that. We give this an option, and then we also have an option of adding details. So basically this will add detail to this. Then again we have it, we can also have it over here, we can also have it over here, and we can have as many edges and as many form as you desire on your parametric roof. You can easily do it by this option. And so basically this is what a very random, very abstract form that we have created for an roof. So after that we will lift it to a certain of, let's say, 6 meters, and then we do is create simple pole kind of simple column kind of a structure that actually helps it to support it from only one side. It's actually very big, but it is just an abstract form of showing you what how things can actually be done. And you can have a cantilever roof, you can have supports on both the sides of it, and things like that. So you can do whatever you want with this extension that I just taught you, which is the sandbox option. So this is how you can start making your roof parametric. So if you want a sharper edges, then you can keep this as it is. And if you want a smoother roof, then you just have to select the option of soften smoothen edges just like this, and it will smooth the edges and will make you feel like it is a very one kind of a form, like a cloth, very thin and very accurate, that you want it for. You can do it for glass, for fabrication, for any shape that you want. So this is how the basics look like when you start making a parametric roof, and this has actually no limit, because from the scratch option you can make a, a roof as big as you want, like of whatever grid you want. You can make your edges, and you can just start making the the parametric roof just from giving it a proper thing. So